Have you ever wondered what drives us? What inspired us to create an eco-friendly lifetime roofing system made from 95% recycled content? It was you.
You opened our eyes to an opportunity to provide a unique solution that's revolutionizing the wasteful roofing industry one roof at a time. Connected to a purpose that extends beyond profit and changes the world of roofing for the present and foreseeable future, and it's all because of you.
It was you, the homeowners in Hale Alley, who have suffered through the costly and drawn-out process of multiple re-roofs from hail insurance claims, with rising deductibles and prolonged re-roofing delays.
It was you, the homeowners associations and building owners that are fed up with increased deductibles and the cost and time involved with continual roof replacements.
It was you, the homeowners who take pride in ownership of your home, looking for a roofing product that will protect your investment and offer you the peace of mind that you deserve. That is why we do our best every day to innovate and build on the fundamental belief that a roof should be able to offer protection from severe hail, punishing winds, the unrelenting daily rigors of UV rays, and the effects of ever-changing climates, and look good doing it.
It's what keeps us awake at night. It's about fighting the good fight.
It's about fighting for you and for our planet.
It feels like we're pioneers. There's a buzz here that lets me know I'm part of something special. That's making a difference in the lives of our customers in the world, and I'm proud to be a part of that mission.
I invite you to join us on our journey from a small startup in a garage
to a global solution with products in demand in more than a dozen countries around the world. And it all started here in Alberta, Canada.
Throughout that time, we worked hand in hand with you, our customers, never forgetting who we were working for, to provide our unique solution to places like
the Old Course Hotel in St. Andrews, Scotland, the Crane Resort in Caribbean Islands, and this oceanfront retreat on the soothing shores of Maui. When we have people from all over the world asking for our products, that makes us proud. We know we are producing high-value products when there is a global demand and recognition for our premium products above all others.
It's so rewarding. We love it. We absolutely love it.
We believe it's always possible to do more. We believe we can make a difference, not just for you, but for our planet.
We are committed to our goal to be the leading manufacturer of the advanced synthetic shingles for the world, engineered for every environment, engineered for the environment, engineered for you.
Together we have the power. We ask our people, would you recommend Euroshield?
I think it's the best product you can buy. We've installed cedar, any shingle, doesn't matter what shingle it is, metal roofs, none of them can take what the Euroshield roof can take.
Oh, we love the way it looks.
Not only was it recommended to me by one of my neighbors, but I've shared it with another neighbor as well.
The interesting thing is we were the first house in the neighborhood that actually said yes. And next thing you know, our next door neighbors on one side of us, they said yes. The neighbors on the other side, they saw our roof, they said yes. The neighbors across the street, and they said yes. And it just became a domino effect. Talk about value.
Bringing the value up on your house, knowing that when you go to sell your house, it's worth more. And the reason it's worth more is because you have Euroshield on it.
No other products are at the level of which Euroshield is.
I think the use of tires is a really good idea, because otherwise, what do you do with them?
Our success is reliant on the fact that our customers remain satisfied, not only today, but for a lifetime.
We are Euroshield!
Trusted by homeowners worldwide, inspired by you.